Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. In today's video, we will discuss very important legal precautions every property seller must take in India. Whether you are selling a house, flat, plot, or even under construction property, a single mistake can lead to years of litigation or serious financial loss. So watch this video till the end to learn all essential tips, documents, and legal safeguards you must follow. Section 1. Verify ownership and clear title. Ensure clear title. You should have a clear, marketable title to the property. If the property is inherited or gifted, check that the legal heirs or donors' consent is properly documented. 2. Get a title search done. A title search report by an advocate ensures there are no legal disputes, encumbrances, or previous claims. 3. Avoid selling disputed property. If there's an ongoing case, civil, revenue, or family, wait for the matter to resolve or disclose it to the buyer transparently. Section 2. Verify property documents. Here's a checklist of documents to keep ready. Original registered sale deed. Khata property card municipal record. Encumbrance certificate, EC. Latest property tax, electricity, water bills. Approved plan and completion certificate for buildings flats. Occupancy certificate, especially for apartments. NOC from society or builder if applicable. Power of attorney if selling on behalf of someone else. Relinquishment deeds legal heir certificates in case of inherited property. Precaution: never give original papers to anyone, especially brokers or agents, without proper documentation and receipt. Section 3. If the property is under construction or bought from a builder. 1. RERA registration. If the property is under construction or bought from a builder, check if it's RERA registered. Share the RERA ID with the buyer. 2. Builder NOC tripartite agreement. Obtain a no objection certificate from the builder or developer. In some cases, a tripartite agreement between buyer, seller, and builder is required. 3. Allotment letter and payment receipts. Provide the buyer with the original allotment letter and builder payment receipts. Section 4. Due diligence about the buyer. KYC verification. Obtain Aadhaar and PAN copies of the buyer. 2. Check payment method, prefer checks, NEFT, RTGS, or demand draft. Avoid unaccounted cash and take a token amount, bayana, with a written receipt. 3. TDS compliance. If sale consideration exceeds 50 lakh rupees, buyer must deduct 1% TDS and provide Form 16B. Section 5. Agreement to sell. 1. Draft a legally sound agreement and include total consideration, advance paid, time limit for registration, possession terms, penalty for delay, dispute resolution clause. 2. Indemnity clause, which protects you against any future third-party claims or frauds. 3. Registration or notarization, not mandatory in all states, but registering this agreement makes it enforceable in court. Section 6. NRI Seller Precautions. 1. Use registered power of attorney, POA, if you are an NRI. Authorize a trusted person in India via registered POA. 2. FEMA compliance. Ensure compliance with the Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, rules. 3. TDS at 20% for NRIs. Buyer must deduct TDS at 20% if the seller is an NRI. 4. Form 15 CA 15 CB, required for repatriation of sale proceeds outside India. Consult a CA for this. Section 7. Sale deed and registration. 1. Proper sale deed drafting. Don't copy old formats. Get it drafted by a property law expert. 2. Execution at sub-registrar's office. Buyer and seller with 2 witnesses must be present with original ID and PAN cards. 3. Stamp duty and registration charges, generally borne by the buyer, but confirm this in writing in advance. 4. Handover of possession only after receiving full and final payment and completing registration. Also issue a possession letter and hand over keys, utility bills, and NOC from society. Section 8. Power of Attorney Caution. 1. Avoid using unregistered POA. The Supreme Court has ruled that sales through unregistered POA have no legal value unless backed by a registered sale deed. 2. Use POA only for legitimate reasons is equal to, for example, if you are ill, abroad, or physically unable to attend registration. Section 9. Capital gains tax and income tax filing. 1. Report sale in ITR. Declare under capital gains if property held for above 2 years, long-term capital gains, LTCG, at 20% with indexation. To claim exemptions, use Section 54, buying another property, or Section 54 EC of the Income Tax Act, 1961, investing in Rec NHAI bonds within 6 months. 3. PAN mandatory. Your PAN and buyer's PAN must be mentioned in sale deed and Form 26QB for TDS. Section 10. Broker or agent precautions. 1. Verify broker credentials, check background and reviews if available. 2. Written agreement, mention clearly, commission, who pays it, and when. 3. No original document to broker, only provide self-attested photocopies unless the deal is final. Section 11. Final possession and record keeping. Possession letter should mention payment received in full, possession date, and list of documents handed over. Keep copies of all signed documents, especially agreement to sell, sale deed, PAN, ID proofs, payment proofs, DS Form 16B possession letter NOCs and receipts. Conclusion. These precautions are not just technical formalities, they are life-saving legal steps that can protect your hard-earned property from frauds, false claims, and legal battles. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.